Thank you for participating in this study challenge. Here's a question from the USABO Semifinal exam June 24, 2020. Please drop a like, comment, share this out, and subscribe as we continue to do USABO together. Click the link below if you are looking for biology help. The initial population size was 1200. That is 982 divided by 0.818. Value B is 145. That is 218 minus 73. D is 50. That is 1200 times 0.042. G is 0.048. That is 58 divided by 1200. J is 0.061. That is 73 divided by 1200. C is 17 minus 9, which equals 8. H is 8 divided by 1200. M is the same. Thank you for participating in this study challenge.